Well, hello, creators. Have you ever walked into a room and before you heard any words, you could feel the anger and tension in the air? We all have the ability, like radios and cell phones, to receive unseen vibrations and signals from the world around us. And today we're going to talk about how to be aware of those and how to be able to dissipate and release those energies or emotions that are not our own. So, n- hello, creators. Like I said, those of us who are particularly sensitive to energies may need to consciously clear those energies. So, let's talk about it, how to clear those energies. You know, you probably don't know what you probably don't know is that not every feeling that you're experiencing is yours, is your feeling. For instance, if your significant other is angry, sad, or whatever, but is in denial or unaware of those feelings, but perhaps they are suppressing those feelings. You might be the one who ends up getting triggered and expressing those feelings for them. So be careful this weekend. Sometimes when I'm experiencing an emotion that I can't figure out the source of it, if I look to see whom I've been around, I realize that I have taken on somebody else's feelings. Another explanation is that we are now living in a world where a good percentage of people are upset, anxious, fearful, or depressed. And as we move throughout the world, we are slimed by these energies that are not our own. If you accept the quantum science belief that we all coexist in a unifying field and that we are connected to everything and everybody, this makes a lot of sense. I have found that for me, the fastest way to release these energies is to get grounded. By being grounded, what I mean is, and just like all of your electrical devices have grounding cords, you also can get grounded so you can get rid of those unwanted energies. How do you get grounded? One, go outside. Two, if you can, walk barefoot on the grass or the sand so that your feet can actually connect with nature. You, if you didn't know, you have um, chakras on the bottom of your feet that are designed to help you connect to the ground, just like trees have roots. We also have the ability to release energy and to pick up energy from the earth. So go outside and release any of this unwanted energy. Now, with the full moon this weekend, and we're on the eve of the full moon, so you may have been uh, feeling it for the last couple of days. I know I have been. And as we know, it doesn't just stop once the moon is full. It continues a couple of days afterwards. And what the full moon does is it intensifies our energy and our emotion. So you might feel that, oh, I don't know what's going on out here. But remember, if you are aware of, hmm, is this my emotion? If I can't be able to attach this emotion to anything that I've been thinking about or that has been happening to you, then go outside. Just release it. Sometimes, we want to know why. Hey, it really doesn't matter why. What it does matter if you are going to allow those unseen, unwanted energies to cause you to react opposed to respond. And when you find yourself wanting to react by getting angry, sad, or frustrated yourself, I encourage you to take a deep breath, go outside, and respond by releasing those energies so it doesn't affect your different relationships. I hope that this message helps. I hope this tip helps. I am Elizabeth, and it is my goal, my pleasure to help you with managing your own energies so that you can live a very productive and joyful life. And if I can help you personally, please do contact me. And may light, love, and plenty of laughter accompany you on your path, especially this weekend. uh, I am Elizabeth. May you have a blessed one.